How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can hide Instagram following list and follower list or not. So let's just go ahead in this video and find out if we can do it. So in order to hide Instagram followers or following list, let's just head over to our profile first. And when we head over there, we can find the followers and also the following list. So if you're looking for the option that allows us to hide it, unfortunately Instagram does not have the detect feature that allows us to do it. So it doesn't have that specifically hide your follower list feature. So in order to hide your Instagram following and follows list, the only way is switching your Instagram account to private. So this is a method that prevents anyone who is not following you from seeing your profile, including your follow account and who you follow. So if you want to turn on your account privacy and make it private, you can head over to the top right and open up the menu bar. After that, you can go to the account privacy section and turn on this option that says private account and turn it on. So this is it for now. This is the method you can apply up if you want to hide your following and follower list. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.